today we're gonna go ahead and install vz100661. Okay, so first what you want to do is poke the holes through the vinyl. Put the bolts in here. And lift up the car. We're going to take off the tabs. Now we're just cleaning off the area before we, install the front splitter. Want to make sure everything is nice and clean. So now you're just gonna make sure your front splitter is in the center. Yeah. So you're gonna use the V of the vicrez to help you align it to the center bolt, which would be in the middle. The next one will be right here. Around here. Then the same spot, I'm gonna put it right here. There's the one right here, and then I'll tell you where else. Now we'll put one like around right here. Obviously, you get some happens too. Let's do one. Let's start doing some over there on his side. So the same process from here. Same place that you did this, at the edge where we were at, right there. Yeah. And then we have because I don't want it to flop a lot, so like right here. Alright, so we used 14 self-tacking screws and 14 washers. I just went ahead and placed it on spots where usually you'll see more vibration on the splitter. As you can see, it's very sturdy. You want to make sure you don't have no gap between the lip and the front splitter, because if you do, then this is not going to be sturdy. Washers are not included, that's just a self-preference.
Now we're gonna lower down the car.
So we're gonna unscrew it.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're gonna use a different bolt.
So now we're gonna mark our spot. We're gonna take this one. So we're gonna get it sideways. We're gonna use a marker to place your dowel where you're gonna make a hole to connect your support rods. And we're gonna use, let's see, we're gonna use this.
The bracket of the support.
Mm-hmm.
As a guidance for where we're gonna pinpoint the spot.
So we're gonna mark it right here. Go to the other side, do the same thing. Use my thumb. Alright. Now we're gonna drill.
So now we're just gonna go ahead and drill it. So now we're just gonna go ahead and drill the holes for the support rod. So now we're just gonna go ahead and bolt in the top part of this. So we're gonna align it to this. Should be the same. Right there, Franco? So now we're gonna go ahead and drill in the other, no, those are wrong. Right here. So now we're just gonna go ahead and drill in the other hole for the other side for the other support rod. So now we're just gonna bolt in the bolt. Now we're just gonna position the support rod. Make sure it's twisted to the same angle as the other side. That way, you don't have one twisted differently.
Yeah, the symmetrical.
Make sure this is super tight. Again, this is your support rod, so you want your support to be super strong.